There's been so much clapping, I'm sure your hands are tired. I hope my speech gives you some time to rest. My soul magnifies the Lord, and my spirit rejoices in God my Savior, for he has looked with favor upon the lowliness of his servant. Holy is his name. These words, taken from the Gospel of Luke, are part of a song of praise, but more than that, a song of deep gratitude and thanksgiving. Like Mary, we gather today to reflect on where we've come from, where we are, and the grace that has carried us here. To our principal, all St. David's staff, honored guests, proud families, and of course, my fellow graduates, welcome. It's an honor to stand before you today to represent and celebrate such a brilliant, resilient, and inspiring group that is the class of 2025. When I first entered the doors of St. David's, I have to admit, I had limited social skills, and each day, even having one conversation was a cause for celebration. With time, though, I recognized that the atmosphere that you all brought was one where I was free to be myself, a welcoming one. And without that, I wouldn't be able to speak before you today. Each and every one of you has made this journey at St. David's a memorable and transformative one. Thank you all for making St. David's such a special place to learn and to grow. Stand proud and rejoice. This is your day. This moment is a testament to the fact that we are strong. Despite all the challenges, we got here today. We chose to keep fighting, to keep working hard, and for that, congratulations. One of the best parts of being at St. David's was the immense support received from staff and the dedication to our growth in terms of academics, extracurriculars, and student well-being. To all our teachers, thank you. You didn't just teach us our subjects, you taught us how to think, how to persevere, and how to believe in ourselves. You made St. David's a place where learning was not just about our subjects, our grades, but about growth. Whether it was all the teaching staff going above and beyond, or the well-being team giving us a reliable support system, not to mention a fantastic career guidance team, a charismatic chaplaincy, and let's not forget all those who did the heavy lifting behind the scenes. Today is just as much a celebration for you as it is for us, because without you, we wouldn't have made it to where we are. Now, I'm aware this all sounds like a big thank you message, and rightly so it is, because without gratitude, we fail to value and recognize the value of what we have, and we cannot possibly prepare for what is to come. I can't help but extend this thanks to the families here, to whom we owe so much of who we are. Your sacrifices, your guiding hands, and unwavering belief in us all out of love. These are the foundation of everything we've achieved. This moment belongs to you as much as it does to us. Now, whether or not you share the same faith, I believe we can all recognize the spirit of love, compassion, and purpose that defines this community. The college's culture, rooted in that each and every one of us is made fearfully and wonderfully, blessed with something truly magnificent, and it is that which every staff member has worked tirelessly to bring out of us. This is to say, fellow graduates, that wherever you go, you will always be part of the St. David's community. Be proud of that. Be proud of who you have become. And most of all, do not be afraid to make the difficult decisions for who you want to be. Friends, we are not only starting a new chapter of our lives, but one that might prove more challenging than the ones before. With that comes new obstacles and new difficult decisions. Scary, I know. Nonetheless, let us go forward with courage. Let us remember that greatness is not defined by our titles, our riches, or how easily we walk through this life, but by the love we do everything, the lives we touch, and the truth we choose to live by. Let us be the kind of people who do small things with great love, because that is how we begin to change the world. Know that you are not alone, and that even in your most vulnerable moments, you are strong. At every moment, God meets us where we are, with what we have, and simply loves us as we are. Whether we choose to accept that love or not, He will not stop showing up for us. Even when we feel unworthy or fail to notice His presence, He is there for us, He loves us, and He wants the best for us. Whether you're going off to uni, or doing an apprenticeship, or taking a gap year, whichever path you are on is a gift. And with that in mind, remember that the only time you truly have is the present. And it is only in the present that you can both leave a better past behind and prepare a better future ahead. So make the most of the time you do have. As I said earlier, I truly believe that each and every one of you has something truly spectacular that can set this world ablaze. As a parting word, I need only say, fan that spark into a flame. Thank you.